Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Luminous. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel from about skincare, product reviews, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is something you would like to get to know more about, you definitely want to stick around, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, so whenever there's a new video, you'll be the first to be informed. So today it's all about what to know before going into skincare game. Yes, this is not coming from me because I am the most, I am the smartest, or I have all the knowledge concerning skincare. This is coming from me because I have more experience and I have more knowledge than you that is just going into skincare game. So the first thing you should not do as a starter in skincare game is buying a lot of products. Yes, I made this mistake too when I was starting my skincare game. I thought it was going to be something very easy, like a lot of people were going to be willing to buy. Yeah, after I actually did my formalities informing people about me starting up a brand, yes, I went ahead and got a lot of things. Yeah, it didn't go into waste, do not get me wrong, but I made a lot of mistake by buying a lot of things that wasn't very important from the beginning. Yes, and this happened because of the fact that I was super excited to start my own brand. I was happy, yes, the little fund I had, because I had to start up anyways. This is another thing for you starting up a business. Do not wait to have the complete money, or you have a budget of around 80,000 or something to start your skincare game, and you're waiting till that money is complete before you start up your skincare game. My dear, you're going to sit there till forever. The money is never going to be complete. You just have to start up with whatever you have. Yes, I meant whatever you have. The good thing about starting up your skincare game, yes, I'm not saying everybody should do this, but some things you can do as well when you're starting up a skincare game. You can check up people that knows how to do production very well on the line and start up with minimal product from them. Maybe their body cream, resell for them and make your profit from it. Maybe a pink lip balm, that is for students that do not even have a lot. You can start up with a pink lip balm from brands that you know are already topping, or they know what they are doing. So like I was saying, starting up your big skincare brand, if you're going to be making product yourself, starting up your skincare brand, you shouldn't buy a lot of products. Yes, I meant it. You should not buy a lot of products, because a lot of products will end up becoming something that would discourage you, because you will have a lot of product lying in your maybe workroom or whatever you store your products, and you'll be there trying to sell, feel bad because you do. As a starter, I don't care wherever you start your skincare brand, I don't care who teaches you, you do not know everything. You're still going to make a lot of mistakes. So imagine you doing a product, maybe a base cream or a lotion, and you went ahead and do maybe like 5 liters. Someone that is starting up, you did 5 liters, and now there are some things you shouldn't have done when you did that batch. Do you know what will happen to that lotion? It's going to go to waste, because once you sell out maybe 3 or 4 of it and you get 3 complaints from 4 lotions, it's definitely a no-no. So you have to make another batch. That is, those 5 liters, what happens to them? It has gone to waste. So this is the reason why you should not, for any reason, do a lot of products or buy so much products when you're starting up your skincare game. Another mistake you shouldn't make is expecting to make profits at your early stage of starting business. There are a lot of issues or blunders that come with expecting gain or profit from your beginning stage in skincare game. One of the mistakes you end up making is trying to combine what is not meant to be combined, or managing products in the head of making profits, or forcing things in the head of making profits. As a skincare starter, you do not have enough customers. I'm not talking about the elites, those that have enough money to get a shop immediately, run adverts, get influencers. I'm not talking about those big person, as in I'm not talking about someone that has it all but just needed a business to pour the money in. I'm talking about you that just has a little money and you want to vent into skincare, or you want to vent into a business that will eventually in years to come become something you'll be proud of, then you do not want to go into starting up with a lot of products or expecting profit from it immediately, because no, it is not going to give you profit immediately. Yeah, I'm not opening the fact that skincare game, it's a very, very lucrative business. It's a business that you will get a lot of profit from. Yes, I am assuring you of that, but this profit do not come in quotes easily. Yeah, it doesn't come that easily. Skincare vendors are much out there, and you need to prove to your customers or people that are going to try your product, you need to prove to them that you are certainly different or better than those people. That's another one. Another mistake you shouldn't make as a skincare formulator or someone trying to go into skincare business is looking for a way to lightening up your skin. Yeah, that is a lot common in Nigeria, because a lot of people think if you're a dark skin or if you're not very fair, then your products are not effective. No, and you should not join those carcass of people that want to get white before starting up their skincare game. Skincare game is not about getting white. In short, the era of bleaching, the era of white has passed. So now a lot of people want products that will give their skin that luxury looking skin. You understand? So the era of making your skin look extremely white before you can start skincare has passed. Even aside from that, to start up your skincare game, you shouldn't be willing to go lighter or go white because you want to start up your skincare game. Yes, if you're starting your skincare game and you're not light, you might encounter some issue. It is natural, it is normal. We are in Nigeria. A lot of people might be like, you're not light, then how do you prove to me that your skincare products are okay? Then you need to know how to do that, because being light is not what makes you a skincare formulator. Having an healthy skin and a skin that doesn't have issue. Yes, another mistake we make as the customers that buy from you, the mistake they make is expecting you to have a flawless skin. You can never have a flawless skin. That is for a fact. You can never ever have a flawless skin. Just take this off your mind, so you don't end up going extra miles to do things that will end up damaging yourself in the head of having a perfect skin so your customers can buy. You are human. You're meant to break out. You're meant to have dark spots. Yes, you are human. You're meant to have stretch mark. That is if you have that kind of a body. You're meant to break out. You're meant to have knuckles if you're naturally prone to knuckles. So if you are expecting to be flawless to prove to your customers that your skincare product work, then you're going the long thing. Customers are expecting that, but you should make them understand that you are also human. If you break out, you have products to treat it. That is why you're a skincare formulator. If you have issues with your skin as well, you have products that can help you treat it. Not that you are not meant to have those issues because you're a skincare formulator. Yes, watch out for part 2 of things to know before going to skincare. I hope this has actually helped someone that is about to vent into skincare game. If so, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I'm dropping a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching my videos today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.